Well, after 4 days of testimony, both the prosecution and the defense have rested their case in the trial of Bianca Ellis, the woman who fatally stabbed a little boy and wounded his mother in a North Olmsted grocery store parking lot. 19's Colton Molesky has been following the trial all week. He joins us with what we've been watching this afternoon. Colton?
Dan, yeah, it was another long day in court. Today was medical experts arguing over whether Bianca Ellis was insane during the attack in a Giant Eagle parking lot last summer. The defense called one last expert today before it rested, a forensic psychiatrist who they hired and who has worked with Ellis since last July. The state called a rebuttal witness this afternoon. The witness for the defense, Dr. Sarah West, used Ellis's history of mental disorders and hospital stays to show a pattern of mental illness and schizophrenia. She found Ellis unable to know what she was doing as wrong due to mental illness at the time of the attack. However, the state's rebuttal witness, Dr. Stephen Knopfsinger, the program director for the Forensic Psychiatry Fellowship at UH and a teacher of West's, argued the opposite.
My opinion with reasonable medical certainty, however, that the defendant did not have a severe mental disease or defect at the time of the June 3rd, 2024 offense that caused her to not know the wrongfulness of the offenses. So despite having schizophrenia, it did not cause her to not know the wrongfulness of the offenses.
Now, those two doctors gave lengthy testimonies today, so it is expected the case will be turned over to the jury next week. In the newsroom, Colton Molesky, 19 News.
And remember, 19 News has continuing coverage. Stay updated about what's happening in the courtroom on our streaming 19 Plus app. We'll have all the major testimony at 8 tonight. And you can also listen to our latest podcast on the trial, Dark Side of the Land, Justice for Julian, available now.